there. So today I just wanted to tell you a true story about a man named Jeff. Jeff and his wife had an IRS lien preventing them from buying a home. And they looked at alternative routes to purchase. And then they saw an ad post with Jim, TheRealEstateExpert.Online. He not only was able to place Jeff and his wife into a home under his lease purchase program, but then he helped them through his resources of getting the IRS lien removed from their credit so they could actually purchase the house. Jeff and his wife have so much thanks towards Jim. I mean, they still can't believe this was possible without having to pay off the IRS lien.